is 8 and the minimum is 17. Now, question number 8, A part. The equation is in the quadratic form. We have to find the range of this equation. No, the equation is in the quadratic form. First of all, you will have to split into the completing the square method by taking the value of x in bracket. The range would be what I have told you in the last question. What if the equation is in this form? Whatever the value of this ring digit would be the range of this function. So in this way, you will have to do the questions, question number 5 till 15. I have done some of the question. It is not an easy task to find the range and the domain. So make a practice, do each and every question where you will find the problem. Let me know. I will solve it tomorrow, inshallah. There is a one of the question in your worksheet number 2. One of the student has asked. Question number 8. Equation of curve this one, and the equation of line is y is equal to 2x minus 3. We have to show that the curve lies above the x-axis. Use discriminant Now my answer comes less than 0. This is less than 0, and this show that the whole of the curve lies above the x-axis. In this part, we have to show that my answer should come less than 0, and we have proved my answer comes less than 0, then it's mean the curve lies above the x-axis. In the B part, we have to find the coordinates of the point of intersection of line and curve. Now these two equations are equal to y. Whenever you will see the word point of intersection, use simultaneous substitution method to solve it. Both are equal to y. Keep them equal. It's up to you. Use quadratic formula or use by the pairing method to solve it. Now turn by turn, you have to keep this equation in this equation y is equal to 2x minus 3. Put x5, make it the equation number 1. Now we have now you have the 2 point of intersection 5, 7, 2, 1. These are the 2 point of intersection. Now in the next part, write down the set values of x satisfies the inequality. Now you have to solve this inequality. By using the pairing method. What I have told you, you have final answer in 2 less than x less than 5. This was all about your lecture today. You will have to do the questions of the domain and range. Whenever you will find the problem, tomorrow inshallah we will discuss. Allah Hafiz.